Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix alarm no sound in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app and then click on alarms. Now here you can see your silence alarm. If you turn off your alarm, then turn it on. After turn on your silence alarm, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on app management and then click on app list. Now scroll down and click on clock and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear storage and cache memory of clock app. After clear storage and cache memory, then go back and click on my phone. Now here you can see the option check for updates. Now click on it and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it hasn't updated to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.